Hello everyone, myself Bharadwaj. In this video, I will discuss about analog comparison. Here we have two analog inputs, AI1 and AI2. Analog input 1, analog input 2. So we have to compare or we have to generate three status bits which are greater than, less than and equal to. For this, we are not going to use comparator block and we have to complete the task without using comparator block. Okay, first open your PLC software. Now take two analog inputs and give the command analog input 1 and this one is analog input 2. Now I will use two analog amplifier blocks. This is for scaling and also in Logo PLC we have to use analog amplifier block for driving an analog input or for scaling an analog input. Okay, and give the block name. This is amplifier 1 and I want to use 0 to 100 scale. So I have to adjust the gain. The default is 0 to 1000 and I have to enter 0.1. Then the scale is 0 to 100. You can use any range as per your requirement. Okay. And this one is, I will give the block name amplifier 2 and again I will use same range 0.1. So the output range is 0 to 100. The default range in Logo PLC is 0 to 1000 for analog. Click OK. Now connect these analog input 1 and 2 to these blocks. Okay. Now for comparison purpose, I will use analog threshold trigger blocks. So take and give the command threshold trigger blocks. So I will give the comment instead of block name. And I will give the comment same for the second one also. Okay. Now connect this amplifier 1 with analog threshold trigger 1. Similarly, connect the second one amplifier 2 output with analog threshold trigger 2 input. Okay. Now for comparison purpose, we have to give analog input 1 values in analog threshold trigger 2 block. Similarly, we have to give analog 2 analog input 2 values to the analog threshold trigger 1 block. Then only the comparison can happen, right? Each block must have both inputs. For that purpose, click this plus symbol and here also plus symbol and analog threshold trigger 2 also. Now what I will do, I will connect analog amplifier 1 output which is AX to the analog threshold trigger 2 on field. Again, I will connect analog amplifier 1 output AX to off also. Okay. I just want the comparison must happen with single number only. There is no need to compare on value and off value at different values, right? That is why I connected this AX to the both inputs of on and off of analog threshold trigger 2 block. Similarly, I will do the same thing for the next one. I click this one. Connect amplifier 2 output AX to the analog threshold trigger 1 on field and again AX to off. Clear? Now I will take two digital outputs and connect these outputs and give the name for Q1. This is greater than AI1 greater than AI2 and Q2 is less than AI1 less than AI2. Okay. Now the program is completed. So I will go to the simulation, go to tools and start simulation. Now AI1 and AI2 both are 0, 0. Okay. Right. Now I will increase AI1 value, let's say 20. Now AI1 is 20, AI2 is 0. You can see the amplifier block AX value. Amplifier 2 is 0 and AI1 is 20. So AI1 is greater than AI2. That is why the greater than output is on. Q1 is on and Q2 is off. Now I will increase AI2. Now AI2 is also 20. That means both values are same, 20 and 20. If you see, these values will go to these on and off parameters also. Now greater than is off, less than is off. Now I will increase analog input to, now it is 40. AI1 is 20, AI2 is 40. That means this less than is on. AI1 is less than AI2. If you see the on and off parameters, the reference values of both the analog threshold trigger 1 and 2 blocks are updating dynamically, then only this comparison is going to happen. That is why we connected this AX to these on and off parameters. We just want to compare a single value. That is why both are connected to the same values. You can try with different values what will happen. You can observe in your simulation, no issue if required. So this is how we can do the analog comparison without using comparator block. Okay. Now a task for you. If you see, we completed greater than, less than, right? And the pending one is equal to. I will give you one hint. Now, right now, AI1 is 50, AI2 is 50. Both are same values. When both are same values, if you see, analog threshold trigger 1 output is off. Similarly, threshold trigger 2 block output is also off. You can use these two status to generate equal to status, equal to output. Okay, just pause the video here and try to complete the task. Try to use basic gates for the equal to option. Okay, now I will continue with the equal to. So I will come out of the simulation. What I will do, I will take one output Q3, and this is my equal to AI1 equal to AI2. Okay, now when AI1 and AI2 are equal, both outputs are 0, 0, right? For that case, I have to use one AND gate. Okay, this is AND gate, and I have to use two NOT gates. I will connect analog threshold trigger 1 output to the NOT gate, and NOT gate output I will connect to the AND gate. Similarly, I will connect threshold trigger 2 output to the NOT gate and NOT gate output to the AND gate. Then when both are 0, 0, I will get equal to status. Simple. You can use NOT block, two blocks, or simply you can connect like this. See, in Logo PLC, if you double click here, NOT gate will appear, bubble will appear, see, dot will appear. That means the input is inverted, not is given. Okay, in simple way you can do like this also, or you can use not block also, two blocks. Now I will connect trigger to, again I will give the not, I will double click here. Okay, the not came. Okay, now I will do the simulation for the equal to. Right now, AI1 is 50 and AI2 is 50. Both are equal. See, trigger analog threshold trigger output 1 is off. Similarly, trigger 2 output is off. And with the combination of NOT and AND block, equal to is on. So this is how we can generate greater than, less than, equal to status from two analog values. Okay, try to do this program in your PLC software and complete the task. Also, you can implement this type of comparison using some other block combinations also. Now another task is for you, that try to complete or generate this greater than, less than, equal to with combination of some other blocks, and share with us how you implemented this type of program through the comment section. Thank you.